Hey everyone! Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 umbrella for rain and sun that are actually worth buying right now. I've compared 5 different options to help you find the right mix of coverage, durability, and everyday comfort without wasting your money. Let's get into it. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Repel Windproof Travel Umbrella, compact and withstands winds up to 100 miles per hour. Strongest premium auto-folding umbrella for rain and sun, durable, light and portable for women and men, fits backpack and cars. The Repel Windproof Travel Umbrella is best known in the US market for being one of the most recognizable compact travel umbrellas designed for commuters, travelers, and everyday carry use. This type of umbrella became extremely popular because many Americans got tired of cheap umbrellas flipping inside out during storms or breaking after a few uses. In real-world US life, this umbrella is commonly used by commuters walking through cities like New York, Chicago, Seattle, Boston, and Washington, D.C., where sudden rain and strong wind are part of daily life. It's also popular with travelers because it fits easily inside backpacks, carry-ons, work bags, and car door compartments. One of the biggest strengths is portability. Unlike large golf umbrellas, this folds down small enough for daily carry. That's important for people taking trains, walking into office buildings, or traveling frequently. The automatic open and close feature is another major convenience. If you're juggling coffee, grocery bags, or getting into a rideshare during rain, one-handed operation matters more than people realize. The brand heavily markets wind resistance, reinforced ribs, and Teflon-coated fabric for water resistance. Similar travel umbrellas are often praised by travel reviewers for balancing compact size with durability. TravelinLeisure.com. Number 2. Bodyguard Inverted Umbrella Large Windproof for Rain and Sun, Compact Reverse with Reflective Stripe, Teflon-coated for women men, travel folding with cover bag. The Bodyguard Inverted Umbrella is best known in the US market for solving one of the most annoying umbrella problems, bringing water into your car, office, or house after closing the umbrella. The reverse folding design is the main selling point here. Instead of folding outward and dripping everywhere, the wet side folds inward. For Americans constantly getting in and out of cars during rain, that's genuinely useful. In real-world US use, this umbrella works especially well for commuters, rideshare drivers, suburban drivers, parents dropping kids at school, and anyone parking in outdoor lots during storms. One of the biggest strengths is the inverted folding system. If you've ever climbed into your car during heavy rain and soaked your seats while closing a normal umbrella, you immediately understand why people like this design. The reflective stripe is another practical touch. For people walking dogs at night, crossing parking lots, or commuting in darker winter conditions, added visibility is useful. The larger canopy size is also a plus compared to ultra-compact umbrellas. It provides better shoulder and backpack coverage during rainstorms. The Teflon-style coating helps water bead off quickly, which improves drying time. Now the downsides. Reverse folding umbrellas are usually bulkier and heavier than standard travel umbrellas. They're less ideal for minimalist backpack users or travelers trying to save space. Another thing American buyers should know is that inverted mechanisms can feel slightly awkward at first until you get used to them. Number 3. Tamela Strongest Windproof Travel Umbrella, Compact, Superior and Beautiful, Small, Wind-Tested, Light and Portable, Automatic Folding Rain Umbrella, Durable Premium Grip, fits car and backpack. The Tamela Strongest Windproof Travel Umbrella is best known in the US market for combining compact travel size with a more premium design-focused look compared to generic folding umbrellas. This is the type of umbrella American buyers often choose when they want something practical but also stylish enough for office commuting or business travel. In real-world US use, this umbrella fits perfectly into urban commuting life. Think people walking between subway stations in New York, office workers in Chicago, college students crossing rainy campuses, or travelers running through airports and hotel parking lots during storms. One of the biggest strengths is portability. It folds small enough to fit inside backpacks, laptop bags, purses, and carry-ons without taking up much room. That's a huge advantage for Americans who commute daily or travel often. The automatic open and close mechanism is another practical feature. If you're carrying groceries, a coffee, or luggage while trying to avoid rain, one-handed operation makes life easier. The brand also emphasizes wind testing and reinforced construction. Travel umbrellas in this category are generally designed to survive stronger gusts better than ultra-cheap gas station umbrellas. Similar premium compact umbrellas are frequently recommended by travel publications because they balance portability with decent durability. TravelinLeisure.com. Another underrated advantage is the grip design. Comfortable handles matter more during long rainy commutes than people expect. Now the downsides. Like most compact umbrellas, there's still a limit to how much wind they can realistically handle. Severe thunderstorms or strong Midwest wind gusts can still flip smaller umbrellas inside out. Number 4. AC Icon Golf Umbrella Large 58/62/68-inch Automatic Open Golf Umbrella Extra Large Oversized Double Canopy Vented Umbrella Windproof Waterproof for men and women. The AC Icon Golf Umbrella is best known in the US market for offering large oversized rain coverage designed for golf courses, outdoor events, sports fields, and heavy rain conditions. This is a completely different category from compact travel umbrellas. American buyers choose golf umbrellas because they prioritize maximum protection over portability. In real-world US life, these umbrellas are commonly used at golf courses, football games, baseball fields, soccer tournaments, tailgates, outdoor graduations, and family sporting events. Parents sitting through rainy weekend tournaments are a major audience for products like this. One of the biggest strengths is the massive canopy size. Depending on the version, it can easily cover 2 people or 1 person plus backpacks, camera gear, or sports equipment. The double canopy vented design is another major advantage. Golf umbrellas are specifically built to handle stronger wind conditions better than standard umbrellas by allowing wind to pass through vents instead of catching the entire canopy. The automatic open system is useful because larger umbrellas can otherwise feel awkward to deploy quickly during sudden rain. Another practical advantage is sun protection. Many Americans also use oversized umbrellas during extremely sunny outdoor events. Number 5. Rainmate 100% Windproof Umbrellas for Rainy Compact with strong fiberglass rib design and easy auto open and close, portable folding mini umbrella for travel, lightweight and packable for women and men. The Rainmate Windproof Travel Umbrella is best known in the US market for being a lightweight everyday travel umbrella that focuses on portability and reinforced wind resistance. In real-world American use, this type of umbrella is popular with commuters, students, travelers, rideshare users, and office workers who want something small enough to carry daily without thinking about it. One of the biggest strengths is the fiberglass rib construction, which generally flexes better during wind gusts compared to cheap metal ribs that bend permanently. Many travel umbrella reviews highlight fiberglass-supported umbrellas as better choices for city wind conditions. NewYorkTimes.com. The compact folding size is another major advantage. It easily fits inside backpacks, laptop bags, glove compartments, and purses. The automatic open and close system also improves convenience during fast-moving city life. Another practical advantage is lightweight portability. Some larger umbrellas become annoying to carry every day, which often leads people to leave them at home. Smaller umbrellas are more likely to stay in your bag consistently. That's my roundup of the top 5 umbrella for rain and sun options. Each one works better for different weather conditions and daily needs, so it really comes down to what fits your lifestyle best. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review.